function notation is probably meant to be a shortcut. It did not turn out to be one, but now we're stuck with it. It literally means function of x. You guys know it as, drum roll, y. Okay, so function of x, f of x, function notation is the same thing as your output, your range. So when you put x into the function machine, what comes out is a function of x, which is your y. See what I did there? Okay. So here, we'll draw a little picture. X function machine. So x goes into the function machine. Function of x, which is just y. So we can put a division sign, we can put a multiplication sign, an adding sign, a subtraction sign. Something's going on inside that function machine, and out comes the function of whatever you did to x, which is our y value. Okay? So we're going to practice using function notation to evaluate functions. It's really exciting stuff. So this is what it looks like. Function of x is 3x plus 2, and then we have f of 3 over here. So this is the function notation, but what this really means is y equals 3x plus 2, x equals 3. So these are the exact same thing here. Function of x equals 3x plus 2, function of 3. What this means is y will equal 3x plus 2 if x is 3. So what would y equal?
11.
So that also tells us that the function of 3 equals 11. Yeah? You guys seeing how they're the exact same thing, just different symbols? So all we did was we took this number, we put it into here, and we got the function of that number. So it's like we put 3 in, we multiplied it times 3, added 2, out came our function of 3, which is just our y, which gave us 11. Avery?
Oh, would it ever be like 3x?
It can be anything. It's going to get kind of complicated. Let's do another one. Can't see that? I'm sorry. Function of x, 4x squared plus 7. We're going to find the function of negative 1. So what we're doing here is y equals 4x squared plus 7. Y equals 4 times negative 1 squared plus 7. Yes, sir?
Why negative 1?
Because I just decided to make that the function number.
Oh, yeah. My bad.
Yep. So I put this where the x was. Yeah. So what's my answer going to be? Jackson? I'm sorry?
Is it 23?
11. It's 11 again. I didn't even plan it, and it's 11. Did you know that? Because remember, you have to square this first, right? So what's negative 1 times negative 1?
I thought you had to do parentheses first.
Well, this is like,
That's 1.
this is, yeah. So if there was anything inside the parentheses, yes, we do that first. But since this is, then exponents is next, and then multiplying. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we know that y equals 11 again, which is weird. I'm sorry that happened. So the function of negative 1 is 11. I promise that was not on purpose. So what we're doing here is we're taking these function of x numbers, whatever we put, we're substituting it in, and then we get our function of that number, also known as our y. Cool? Avery?
Whenever we on a test or anything, whenever we have to write the answer out, would we be able to put y equals 11, or would we have to put f times y times f of negative 1?
I would take either, because I mean, it's still just, you're telling me the right answer. F of x is y. I would count it. PK, do you have a question?
No.
No? Anybody else have a question? You want to just practice? This is it, guys. That was our notes.